When fitting the conservatory frames, start by referring to the sill plan. This example just has a sill on the floor, so we start by adding a line of white silicone to the edge of the base. Now place the first sill section as shown on your sill plan. It should have a 50mm overhang. Repeat this for all sill sections by first adding a line of silicone, ensuring you also add silicone between the sill and the property wall. At the corner where the two sills meet, fit them together with the corner joint provided, ensuring that the corner sills are at a perfect 90-degree angle. Make sure the corner is sealed properly using silicone. Once all sills are in position, it's time for the frames.